Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I'll tell you something about sight words. In my previous video, I have already told you about the correct way of writing the alphabets, uppercase and lowercase alphabets. So today I'm starting with sight words. Basically, what are sight words? They are the high frequency known by sight. So high frequency words known by sight. The reason they are called sight words and the reason हम इन sight words को पहले करवाते हैं as compared to आपके 3-letter words से पहले, CVC words से पहले. I'll tell you in my next videos about the CVC words also. तो अभी आज के लिए sight words है कि sight words क्यों करवाते हैं हम पहले. Before CVC words हम sight words बच्चों को करवाते हैं. ये मैं इसलिए because I feel that these sight words are the words which cannot be decoded easily. That's why they are called sight words. Reason being, let me tell you one example. A word is made up of alphabet, right? Suppose there is a word called dog. So it is D-O-G, dog. So there is a sound of D-O-G, right? Phonics, D-O-G, right? But my point is, with the sight words, there is nothing like phonics. Suppose it is T-H-E, T-H-E, T. No, it is the, right? So it's not about phonics. Sight words are the words which cannot be decoded easily. And why sight words are important? Sight words are important because in a sentence, almost like 75% of words are sight words. So if a child knows sight words, he can easily do the reading and writing later on, right? So now, before telling you something about sight words, I want to tell you something like why हमें क्यों लगता है बच्चे रीडिंग नहीं कर पाते हैं. What is the reason behind that? And the reason behind that is learning phonetics is not about synthetic phonics. Okay, it is about the phonemic awareness. Because I have seen कि बच्चों में वो awareness होती ही नहीं है. If you tell them 10 words, sight words, or you tell them 10 words, any 3-letter words, they can do it. But वही बच्चे later on stages में आके they are not able to read it. Why? All because of two reasons. Because synthetic phonics and phonemic awareness development is not there. And let me tell you, if you have a synthetic phonics plus phonemic awareness development, I can assure you it will create a magic and it will create amazing results. Anyone can read. So what I believe as a mother and as an educator, that don't force a child to memorize hundreds and thousands of words. Just teach them only 44 sounds. Yes, 44 sounds. Just teach them 44 sounds of alphabets. And one more thing which I always believe is that learning to hear is the first step of learning to read. As they say it, that LSRW. That means listening, speaking, reading and writing. जो सुनता है वो बोलता भी है, और जो बोलता है वो रीड भी करता है, और जो रीड कर सकता है वो डेफिनेटली राइट करेगा, रिटन पार्ट भी करेगा. So I'll tell you only one thing, that just enrich the concept of phonetics. I have made a video of phonetics also, so you can go through the phonic sounds also. So about the sight words. So as I told you that these are the high frequency words and they cannot be decoded, right? They cannot be decoded easily. So sight words. See, there are ways to teach a sight word. It is not related to the phonics. So what I have done is, I'll tell you one dice game. See, this is a dice. So I have made here, see, I have made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines I have made. So before you tell a child, see, so what you have to do, see and say. So see and say. I am, see, a, can, we, in, the, and, go, to, like, said, you, is, it, here, come, up, this, my, look, at, me, on. So see and say. The second thing is spell reading. Okay, spell it. Like I am, am. So this is a way. Then air writing. Let a child write in the air, like WEV. And then table writing. Let it be like this. Me, ME, me. Okay. And the last is the arm tapping. So basically it is done like this. Suppose you have to put your hand on the shoulder. So you tap a word like look, and then you say LOOK, look. So you have to do arm tapping. So these are all techniques, fun way procedures which we can include while teaching kids about sight words. And the last part is your part, that is the correction procedure. So how can we do that? So let me tell you one very easy game regarding the sight words. This is a dice. You make sight words whatever you want. These are basically the important sight words which I have written. So suppose 6. So sorry, nothing is there. Again 2. So 2 means I have to read this. Suppose I am a child and मेरा 2 number आता है, तो I have to read this. Okay, so I'll read this. Look, here. Suppose I'm reading this like as a lake. So now being a parent, I'll correct this. No, this is like, LIKE, like. So this is a way to teach kids sight words. And after sight words, I'll start with the CVC words. And let me tell you one thing, again I'm repeating, which is very important, that reading is all about synthetic phonics and phonemic awareness development. Please, rather than making your child cramming 3,000, 5,000 words, it's better to give them a sense of phonics of 44 words, 44 alphabets. Okay? So see you in the next video where I'll start with the 3-letter words. Happy learning!